student, please subscribe my channel. This is in connection with the previous video I uploaded. It was very fast video, so I decided to complete it now in this video. Here this Michael addition was completed, that this alpha beta aldehyde, unsaturated aldehyde, NH2 NH2 hydrogen is attached to this, so we will get not hydrazone here, we will get this the derivative of this acrolein. Now deprotonation will occur and H from here will move to OH, so this we will get this enol will be obtained. Means Michael addition will take place, and in this case we will get enol derivative including having NH2. So that is why I am saying enol derivative. At that after this enol formation takes place, so tautomerization will occur. So what do you mean by tautomerization? CH double bond CH, this will be, we will get back aldehyde group. Earlier it was aldehyde group, and then deprotonation occur and we will get this derivative is obtained. Then again it will this when H positive shifted to here, so we will get enol, and now this enol tautomerizes, so we will get back again aldehyde group. Okay, now this aldehyde undergo nucleophilic addition. Lone pair of electron of NH2 will be provided to this electrophilic carbon, because this oxygen is electronegative in nature, attraction by electron towards itself, so it is having negative charge, so this will become delta positive charge. So when NH2 will attack to this, a lone pair of electron is provided to this. Now there will be cyclization occur, so this is called intramolecular cyclization. So basically there is nucleophilic addition occur, so intramolecular cyclization occur. In this case we will use this reagent IMPE, hypervalent iodine reagent. This is iodine reagent is used, hypervalent iodine reagent is used to facilitate means making it easier, cyclization easier, and we'll get hydrazone derivative. Again I will repeat, after enolization we'll get keto aldehyde group back, and then nucleophilic addition will take place, and then intramolecular cyclization takes place in presence of IMPE, that is iodine reagent. It is hypervalent iodine reagent which will helping in intramolecular cyclization. Clear? And then we will get this structure hydrogen derivative, and OH and H will be near to each other, adjacent to each other, they will form water dehydration takes place, and then we'll get dihydropyrazole. Okay, dihydropyrazole. So we started from Michael addition from here to here, Michael addition. In this NH2 first added to this electrophilic carbon, and the second NH2 is added to the electrophilic this carbonyl carbon. Clear? And then cyclization occur, and